Danko bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Board. Please like, share, subscribe. 10 players bafethu okumele ahambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bese undaba kaMdansane bafethu angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo ngoba ngakayitholi kahle ukuthi kuseseyindaba yeloni noma usedayisiwe noma uyadayiswa noma kwenzakalani. Bese kube le ndoda le yentshebe bafethu, le ntshebe bafethu hhayi kabi ukuthi mhlambe siyayizonda ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kodwa ayikho nje into esesenzele yona lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think he has to go. Bese kuba ile ndoda uFrosler bafethu, uFrosler he has done a lot way back, but now there's nothing bafethu. I think he has to go. Kwamele ukuthi umtshida naye azihambele bafethu in peace. And then uDuba bafethu, uDuba I think yena ngeke ngisho ukuthi kumele ahambe, but I think he has to go via iloni bafethu. I think iloni izomsiza kakhulu umfana ukuthi ayo-experience ezinye izinto le ngaphandle. Bese kuba ubavuma bafethu, naye omunye umuntu naye kumele aphume ngeloni ayokhona ukuthola i-experience ne-game time kwezinye indawo, azokhona ukubuya bafethu mhlambe esengcono. And then ucele bafethu, ucele uke waba oninyana nje igame nyana eyi-1 la engambona khona naye yenza something. After lapho ucela ngizange ngisaphinde ngimbone bafethu. So omunye umuntu naye engingazi ukuthi ngizothi ngimbeka kuphi ngoba uqeda ukufika akakatholi ama-game time amaningi afana nabongcobo. UNgcobo bathole kakhulu ama-game time, kodwa ayikho into mhlambe aseyiyenzile especially kwi-Kaizer Chiefs because naye on and off, and we don't need someone who's on and off. I understand abantu bathi uNgcobo is the best, but ukuba on and off bafethu is not good for a team. And then bese kuba ile ndoda le uDuplessis yena wasayina i-contract ye-3 years, wabuya bam-edela 2 years, kodwa next ayikho nje into ebonakalayo eseyiyenzile ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Uye-ke umuntu waqala mhlawumbe amafeni angamjabulela ukuthi bafethu makadayiswe, engaze azixabanise namafeni bafethu. And then uNtwari yena anaye omunye umuntu omele azihambele ngoba angiboni ukuthi kukhona into yobuyomlungele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because it looks like they don't agree together with ama-coaches ne-management. And then uModi naye omunye umuntu owesta kakhulu amabhola, I think naye kumele ahambe bafethu without fear and favor. uModi bamnikezile ithuba eli-enough bafethu, engakabi